Are you guys here because you're stuck in a boot loop? You stole someone's stupid enough that you just forgot your password and now you locked your phone and now you have to bypass and get back in your phone and you lost all your data. You guys are like me and you know for the fourth time you got stuck in a boot loop because you're jailbreak and then you download all the tweets. You pay so much money for your phone. You spend a couple months to get all the tweets and then in a couple seconds you just lost it thanks to the electro jailbreak tool or no jailbreak tool or because of another city tweet. Then you guys are in the right area. It was honestly a boot loop for the electro jailbreak. And it just won't come on. So this could be like I said, and the reason I just mentioned. So basically, what you guys want to do is actually you want to connect your phone to your computer, your PC, your laptop, whatever you want to call it. It could be any computer or PC. I mean, as long as it has iTunes. So Mac, obviously, is Mac. iTunes are from Apple, both Apple. So Macs will already have iTunes pre-installed. But if you're a Windows computer, I'll have a link down in the description for you to download iTunes. So once you have iTunes installed, you obviously just want to connect your phone and to your computer, and you want to connect from a charger, and then I need a extended port right here because I had like a newer Mac, so you just want to connect that in. They're both connected in, and since they're both connected in, if you're in a boot loop or you just want to restore, just to restore, which means that your device will update to the latest version, and then you will lose all your stuff. So if you have backups, definitely back them up. Or if your iCloud backup, then just do that. You guys should be good, but unfortunately I did not back up because I'm an idiot and I did not expect this to happen. Then you're the same boat as me. I know it sucks, but it will get better, trust me. It just takes a long time to get all your stuff back, and you might lose your jailbreak, all your tweets, everything you love about the phone, and then you get the new version. You probably won't have a jailbreak for a couple months to a year, but you know, it is what it is, right? Boot loop, and it's obviously not reading that I have my device connected. Once you connect the device, it actually will open up iTunes, or if you just open up iTunes and you see the device not connected, it's obviously in a boot loop, so it's not connecting, that's on. So what I have to do is actually put it in safe mode. I meant to say recovery mode, so what you want to do is actually hold on the home button and the top button until your device turns off. Okay, and you want to make sure this is disconnected like that. So once it's disconnected, so let me turn off. So you sometimes have to hold twice. So I'm gonna hold home button and I'm holding the button up button. So for some devices, you want to make sure it's off. So I have to hold it, keep holding it until it turns off again. To now let go, and if it turns on like automatically, means you didn't do it right. So it should not turn on; it should be off. And once it's off, you want to make sure you're not connected yet. All you want to do is actually you want to push it in. You want to make sure it's connected, and then you want to put it in and then hold the home button, just the home button. So I'm holding the home button, just like that. Put it in, hold the home button, and it should put you in recovery mode. Just like that. Okay, so now we are in recovery mode. As you see right there, it did recognize it. So now all we want to do is tap on agree. Tap on agree, and then let's open up iTunes, and you see you're still in recovery mode. And then focus on movies, tap on OK. There's a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. So we're actually going to tap on restore. So this problem maybe fits by updating your iPhone, which preserves your settings and content. However, if update does not work, it may be necessary to click on restore, which erases all settings and content. If you are backed up, this iPhone will be prompted to iCloud. If you prompted to restart it back up with iPhone, you will need your iCloud password if Find My iPhone has been enabled. So first off, we could try updating it. If that does not work, then we have to try restore. So I'm just going to try press on update first. There you guys go. Your iPhone cannot be updated. You will need to restore it to its factory settings. So you're going to tap on update, tap on next, tap on agree, and there we go. So now it is recognized it's an iPhone 5S. It does the serial number, which I'm going to blur out, and it's in iPhone recovery mode. iTunes download a software update for this phone, and we'll install it when the download is complete. So I'm just going to be a little patient and wait. Waiting for the update, we just go up here, tap on that download, and it tells you right there, iPhone software update, how long it's going to be, and you know where it's at with downloading. So we could just now wait. Alright, so now you see it is verifying the updated iPhone software, and we are in the recovery mode. iTunes is updating the software on this iPhone, and we're under the iPhone, and you can see that it is has a little progress bar. I don't think it really started yet, but it will be loading the progress bar, which tells us how much longer we have, and then I'll get back to you guys after that. Mind that this process does take a little while. It's an easy process. It's just pretty time consuming. Alright, so after waiting about 20 minutes, I just did the process again, and it just wasn't really moving. So now I connected back to iTunes and went back to the restore state, and now I'm going to tap on restore and update. In the top it says extracting software. So wait for that to load. Pair an iPhone for restore, and we're going to see the iPhone right here. waiting for iPhone. So the iPhone is now resetting to the progress bar. So now it's going to say verifying iPhone with restore Apple. And now verifying iPhone restore. It's still in the loading screen. Alright, so that's how you do it. After it restores, it should reset, come back on, and you guys should be able to set up the new iPhone. So, guys, peace.